So hi guys, so this is my second video regarding my interview experience for CGI. So whoever have seen my first video, I would like to thank you all, and whoever didn't watch that, I would like to say that please watch that video. That link you will get in the description. So please watch that video first and then come here, because in this way you will get the content of this video, right? And whoever have subscribed my channel, I would like to say thank you. The channel are growing day by day, because I started this channel in a fun try to I mean, I just uploaded a video, or I would say I just uh, recorded a video to find my loophole, that where I am lagging in my interview, so that in later on, where I will when I will go in a force, then I would overcome those problems and try to get offer from my dream company. So that thing happened to me. I mean, at the end of a day, I landed in TCS, and I got multiple offers also in that process. Uh, so in this way, this channels came into existence, and it's growing in a very fast path. Okay, I mean, lots of people are commenting in this channel. I mean, lots of people are communicating with me. They are talking over the phone, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So thank you all for making this success. And for new user, I would like to say, please subscribe my channel, share this video so that this video might help others. So the topic of this video was my interview experience with the CGI. So I mean, I applied in CGI 1 month back. Then I got my first round of interview, and I cleared my first round of interview. So I have explained everything on another video whose link are there. So now, after, I would say, 2 day, 23rd was my first round. 23rd March was my first round of interview. Then on 26th, I mean on 25th March, I got call from the HR saying that, hey Firdaus, you have cleared your first round of interview. We will have another round of interview on 26th March. Okay, so once you will, I mean, so in this way, my interview was scheduled, and it was 1 hour interviews. Okay, so my interview was scheduled. And the interview took place through Microsoft Teams. So they use Microsoft Teams to conduct the interview during the lockdown. So my interview was scheduled. I went to Teams meet, and then uh, when once the interview start, they again asked me to tell me about myself. I explained them. Then the interviewer asks regarding my projects, my skill, that what are the things I have done, what are the problem I have faced, or how I have overcome those. So all those things I have explained them. Then they move on. Okay, they ask some basic question in Node.js. Mainly some of the questions were very common, which I have explained you in the part 1, so I will not going to explain those. The interviewer asks one question, like how we debug in Node.js. So I explained them that how to debug those. Then they asked about the event loop, that what is event loop, what is promise, what is defer, what is call await. Then what do you mean by error first callback? I explain them all those things. Then they come up with some question, that what is call bind. Okay, so those question also I explain them properly. Since I was prepared in this interview, after giving my previous failure interview, so I was prepared this time. I gone through the books, I gone through the YouTube's channels, or I gone through the internets and try to find out the question and their proper answer. So this time I was fully prepared. So whatever question they were asking, I would say that in Node.js you will find a common question. If you try to learn, I would say 100 question, and then almost in each and every interview 90 question will be repeated one. Okay, so I mean, and secondly, so same thing happened to me in CGI also. I was very fortunate that most of the questions which they asked I was knowing. and I explained them very mean best of I can. Okay, so the interviewer was very happy with my answer, because when once you go give your interview, you come to know that okay, whether I have given the right answer or not. So from my instance, I was thinking, I got to know that okay, my answer was proper, and the way he was reacting, from his reaction also, I got to know that okay, this time I will get selected. So the round got over. Okay, and he said that I mean, he again said the same thing, that you want to, I mean, from there in all the things are done, do I want to know something? I again asked the same question, same answer, that sir, I know, I mean, in and out of CGI, because my friends work there, so eh, they used to tell us that, and it's a MNC, same level 5 MNC, so the practice will be good there. But I just wanted to know that what kind of project I will be working if I get selected. So he again said the same answer, that hey, mean mean right now we are not taking you for any specific project. We will, I mean, your HR and the manager will allot you that. So my interview got over, and then I got call from the HR next day. I would say 28 or 29. Okay. So next day he called me. He said that you have been selected. Mean my HR round goes on 28. Okay. So he said that, yeah, Firdaus. I mean, he asked something about myself. Same thing, my expectations, and what was my role, and they said their expectation. They mean whatever I want. They said okay, we can give you, no problem with that. So they said that okay, we will generate an offer. So it was 30th March. So 50 or 55 days were left for my from my notice period. So at last HR asked that, hey, how much is your notice period? I said right now it's 54 day left. So HR started to tell me you have to join within 20 days or max 30 days. I said no, I mean, from starting of my date, I already told you that I will be joining in this from this. Oh, sorry, after this. So HR said that no, we can only hire you if you can reduce your notice period from 55 days to 30 days. I said, ma'am, if this was the situation, then why you had wasted my 2 days? Yes, see, if that was the situation, then I might ask to my manager 10 or 15 days back that I need. I would be prepared that whether this thing will be happening to me or not. Uh, since uh, since the day had been passed, okay, 10-12 days has been passed in the interview process, and then at the time when I cleared everything. HR accepted everything. The CGI team started to say that no, we will only hire a candidate which will have 20 to 30 days. So that's why I was saying in my first video that when you give an interview in CGI, that the thing which happened to me, you first finalize your day, that okay, if you are serving more than 30 days notice period, and for a candidate who have a notice period of within 30 days, I don't think CGI will have any problem. So in this way, I said no, sir, because I was a very critical developer in my project, and they have they have promised me to, they told me earlier also that hey, I will not reduce your notice period. So out of my 90, 35 days were gone, and in between also the manager used to say that hey, we due to some, due to IBM policies that they cannot give more than 100% hike for retention. So therefore we are letting you go, but we will try to stop you. So I was on 50-50 condition on that time, so that's why I did not uh, give much force on reducing my notice period. Okay, then they said that they will not retain me, so that part was gone. So but with the CGI, they should tell the candidate that from the first day of the interview, that hey man, I need you within 30 days, since you are saying that you will be joining our company after 60 days or after 45 days, so that not gonna happen. We will not wait more than 30 days. If you will reduce the notice period, then only you give your interview. I mean, same thing. My friends were also giving interview, but for different domain, and he was in CTS. So same thing happened to him also. Uh, Actually, for him, it was different HR and different kind of projects. Okay, so same thing happened to him also, that he given the interview, he had done everything, and Cognizant has a 60-day notice period. Then at the end, I mean, after doing all the rounds, after talking with the HRs, his HR said the same thing to him also, that you have to join within 20 days. So this is one loophole in the CGI. So anybody who give an interview more than 60 days, or I would say 40-50 days, try to clarify this thing with the CGI for HRs first, and then sit for the interview. So this was my main reason why I cleared all round in CGI, but did not join there, or did not got offer there. Anyway, thank you for watching this. Thank you for be with me till here. So if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe this, and write in the comment below that how you liked my experience, and what to say about this video. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and please share this video. Please subscribe my channel, please like this video if you like this video. Okay, thank you very much.